We are all aware that our world is in a time of unprecedented uncertainty.
Our daily routines have been disrupted.
Our future seems less clear.
And our anxiety has increased.
As faith leaders, we want you to remember that your faith tradition has always provided comfort and assurance.
So hold on to your faith in these difficult times.
Draw from the well of your belief for hope and encouragement.
Tómate un tiempo para hacer una pausa y considerar las cosas buenas en tu vida.
Find ways to stay connected with friends, family members, and your faith community.
Re-energize yourself mentally, physically, and spiritually.
And please continue to do the things that help stop the spread of COVID-19.
Wash your hands frequently.
If you are sick, please stay home.
When around others, wear face covering and maintain physical distance.
Above all, we want you to know that
we see you.
Nos preocupamos por ti.
We need you.
Tú importas.
Because after all,
we are all in this together.